Day in the life of an international arrival agent at Chicago O'Hare Terminal 5.
First gate change of the day. Yeah, 27. M16 to M27. Shucks. Back to the gate. M27 because a passenger left something behind. Ay. So the plane left already, so it means I cannot find whatever item was missing. And now I have to go to another gate because another passenger left their phone on the seat pocket. Once again, they left their phone on the seat pocket. Cell phone 60. There's no more, right? No more. Ah, amiga. Cell phone. Did someone found the cell phone?
Oh, she got it.
Ah. Oh. Should be on your bag. Not on the seat pocket.
The gate yet. So 474 was Mike 14 and away for Lufthansa.
Another gate change from 27 to M14. Yay. Another gate change, Mike 24.
I copy that, Caesar. I'll send them to Mike 24.
Another gate change for it's now going back to Mike 27. Another gate change. Hopefully it's gonna be the last one.